A warm good morning and welcome you, sir. HOD, Mechanical Department, sir.
Yes, thank you and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello everyone.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Uday.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Madhu?
Yes, sir. A very warm welcome to the beloved principal, ma'am, Dr. M. Akila, all the HODs, staffs who guided us and supported us. All my dear students who made their active participation in organizing this grand event, Digital Ignitron 2020. With the pandemic on roll, it is impossible to reach outdoors to showcase the thoughts and talents. Hence, we go digital. Owing to the past success of Ignitron 2020, in the month of February, we are having our Digital Ignitron 2020 on 22nd and 23rd of July. This time, we have come up with 30 plus technical events and non-technical events organized by 15 professional bodies. And we believe this virtual event will be a grand success and will kindle up the dormant talents within the students. Now, I call upon Mr. N. Uday Kumar, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department, to deliver welcome notes.
Madhu?
So, welcome notes.
Madhu, your voice is not audible. Madhu?
Uday Kumar, you can start your welcome note.
Okay. Thank you. So, happy morning and warm welcome to the participants joining today's program. I'm Uday Kumar Natarajan, Event Coordinator, KPR Institute of Engineering Technology. Serving the student society is a foremost principle on her agenda. I'm very happy to welcome young and dynamic principal of our institution, Dr. M. Akila. We welcome you, ma'am. I'm happy to welcome heads of various department, faculty members from various department, event coordinators, office bearers, and students participants. KPR Institute of Engineering Technology is one of the premier autonomous institution in the Coimbatore, founded by our chairman, Dr. KP Ramasamy sir, in the year of 2009. Ignitron is a techno-cultural fest organized by professional societies in our institution every year in the month of February. Learn beyond. This is our institution tagline. In this pandemic, we upgrade our event in digital version to reach you all. I hope you will enjoy this 2 days program. Once again, I welcome you all this program to create the event successfully. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Ms. S. Keertana, President of Digital Ignitron 2020, will share few words about the event.
Respected Principal Ma'am, our beloved Uday Kumar sir, respected HODs and faculty members, and my fellow student friends, a warm morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure to be present here for the virtual inauguration of our event Digital Ignitron. As we all know, the past event Ignitron 2020 was a grand success, which was for the first time that all student bodies together organized a Mega Tech Fest. Basking in the success of the event for a few days, we then saw the advent of the pandemic and lockdown, which has transformed the entire scenario. Classrooms and assessments become virtual, and lockdown has enabled us to find the new platforms for learning. The situation may deter us, but we stand undeterred. This is the spirit that we all have in common. With Google Meets, Zoom meetings, and Classroom app providing the virtual classrooms required for academic, we do miss most of which a typical college life can offer us. One such is the Technical Symposium. We did have great plans for Ignitron 2021 and expected that the things will happen at the right time and our institute will reopen. With the spread of the pandemic, this seems an awful task and we all might have to wait until the situation becomes normal. To keep up the momentum and the spread, we come up with the event Digital Ignitron. The two-day event promises to deliver with technical events and webinars. The virtual version of Ignitron is sure to rekindle the thoughts in us and will stand as a platform to showcase the skills we have. 30 plus events have been planned and scheduled to happen at the right time and are awaiting to be explored. We do have non-technical events like photography and drawing, which tends to hone the hobbies present in any way. All these events happen virtually and the winners are entitled to special prizes. The registration is free and of course e-certificates will be provided to all the participants. Our registration link has been open for the past 2 weeks and we have received the responses of 5,441. From this, we have 384 internal participants and 5057 external participants from various states and countries. In this juncture, I would like to express my gratitude to our Chairman Sir, CE Sir, Principal Ma'am, HODs, and faculty members for their consistent support. I express my sincere thanks to Uday Kumar Sir, who trusted and motivated us to organize the event. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. True to the words of Helen Keller, it is always the teamwork that counts a lot in any event. I take this opportunity to affirm my team, which stood sure-footed in taking the events in online. This involved a lot of works and we did face technical difficulties in phases of organizing. But thanks to the team for standing united to complete the task at the right time. United thoughts, united outcome. This is what we trust in. I once again thank you all for the trust and cooperation you offered. Thank you all. Hope the virtual event become a grand success.
Thank you, Kirtana. Presidential address will be delivered by Dr. M. Akila, Principal of KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Yeah, good morning to all. Happy to note that Ignitron has taken forward for a digital version. We have planned for a physical technical event Ignitron 2021 as rightly pointed out by the president of Ignitron. Last year it was a great event here. Even though it was a 2-day event, the gala was started before 1 month and they had many things to do. So 1 month the students have literally enjoyed in organizing the event, collecting people, giving the hospitality and much more things they have learned in life during this Ignitron 2020. So there was a discussion, why not we engage the participants from our college, from our region and from our state and all over India, or maybe we can invite other countries also to participate in a technical event, like how we do the physical event. Even though it is a pandemic era, the digital era is such a boom in India. We can see that every day. More number of internet users and digital learning is happening everywhere in India. This was not so in the before 5 months, but COVID-19 has taught us a lot what is digital and what digital media can do for the students and for the teachers and for the general public. So this digital Ignitron has started before 20 days and there was a great discussion and all the students and the coordinators of all professional societies headed by Uday Kumar started their journey 20 days back, maybe 1 month back, and they had a very good coordination between themselves and came up with a beautiful promo video, posters, and they had collected, I suppose I heard that 5,000 plus participants have registered for the event. This is the tremendous effort done by the team Ignitron, and special applause for the team Ignitron here. So I should congratulate the whole team for having such a spirit and enthusiasm, and the foremost is the responsibility. They have taken their position and the designation with great vigor and all are self-motivated and self-responsible, and I congratulate the team Ignitron for having such a spirit still going on even through this pandemic. Why these technical events are being conducted every year? It is learning is one thing. Studies, subjects, laboratories, skill set, technical skills. These are all certain things which we will learn in the course of study in the classrooms. Outside classrooms, what do we do? So this is what the KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology is taking care of the students for the past 1 year in inculcating all the other things which a student has to learn in all these 4 years, so that they will be able to live independently, think independently and creatively. So I just wanted to say a few things related to why such things we encourage the students to do it, because they will be able to take all the things which I am going to mention now: attention to detail, integrity, time management, coordination, initiative, creativity, responsibility, autonomy, originality, critical thinking, monitoring, concern for others, cooperation, social orientation, social perceptiveness, then leadership, social influence, management of financial resources, management of material resources, management of personal resources. This is not my words. These are all the skills which is needed in this period, and students should have all these qualities in them for to pursue their career in the to 100%. Because when you go to a job, anywhere, it might be any job, it can be a software industry or it can be a core industry. You need all these qualities to sustain in the institution wherever you are working and to flourish your career in a higher level. So this team Ignitron gives you the platform to learn all these skill set and qualities for the students of KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, and give a flavor of the technical events through Ignitron for the participants. I hope that all the 2 days, 22nd and 23rd of July 2020, will give a digital extravaganza for all the participants all around the globe. And I appreciate 5,000 participants who have registered for this event for coming up through this pandemic and encouraging the team Ignitron to have successful 5,000 participants today. And great success will come through hard work only. I believe in that, and I hope Team Ignitron also has learned from the previous experience. All the best for the Team Ignitron, and all the best for the participants of the Ignitron event to get all the accolades and the prizes from Team Ignitron. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. I did it a great honor and privilege to be a part of the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. I thank our well-wisher, Dr. M. Akila, Principal, for her support, vision, and commitment. My heartfelt thanks to all the HODs and faculties for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts. I thank all the good hearts who work behind the screen. I thank each and everyone for your cooperation and making this function a resounding one. Let's make this event a grand success. Thank you.
A sincere thanks to all who attended the inaugural ceremony of Digital Ignitron 2020. And we all like to sustain this much strength for whole Ignitron for the next 2 days. and we all need your support. Thank you so much.